Well, good morning. This is Shop Talk with Buck. I am Buck. Welcome to my shop. Today I want to talk to you about a pen that I turned on the lathe. It's a bolt action from Penn State. The kit comes from Penn State. I turned a piece of cocobolo, and yeah, I think it's turned out real nice. Well, the thing about it, it will write. You bring the bolt down, and actually it's a Parker refill, so you can get a gel, different colors. You just take the nose unscrews, and there's your Parker refill right there. I've done this. I had some Wall Streets takes the same Parker refill, and I put gel in it. Oh, you talking about writing nice? It really writes nice. So we got this little case to put it in. We're going to present this to the recipient. Yeah. Nice little old lathe project. One thing about it, little projects like this, you know, in a few hours, it's done. So quick little project in the shop. I hope everybody's doing well. Need to get to the store and get some sheet goods. At some point, I've got to build a cliff hanger. If y'all don't know what a cliff hanger is, I know The Price is Right. If you ever watched it, the cliff hanger. Well, for Vacation Bible School, they're wanting whatever they got planned, they want a cliff hanger. So I'm gonna build it. I need some sheet goods, so it's either raining or something. I need to get to the store. So I got a picture at a distance what they are looking for. So I don't know. Get me some wood in here and clear out my shop right there and see if we can't build a cliff hanger for Vacation Bible School. It will be here before you know it. I don't need to get rushed. So I plan on filming that. I think it'd be interesting. Never done one. I never even heard of the cliff hanger until they asked me to do one. So I know that's coming up. So if y'all want to see more detail on how I built this pen for Soda Solutions, it goes into more detail. I will leave a link to that video in the description in case y'all want to see the detail of making this pen right here. I went and talked about the kit I used from Penn State, the whole 9 yards. The finish, I used CA glue as a finish. Because one thing, y'all know I like shellac, but I've done shaving kits. Well, a shaving kit brush, the razor, the stand, you know, it's in a high moisture environment. So I use the same thing on it to protect it from the moisture. Well, a pen, it's got more use as people use it and everything like that. So I decided to go with the CA glue. It puts a plastic film on it once it's said and done. But I'll show in that video how I do that. So I'll leave a link in the description on that. Y'all go check that out if you would. If y'all are interested in making one like that right there, I think I gave enough information to where you don't have any problem. And if I don't, leave a comment and I'll answer any questions I possibly can. So that's where we're at on that. Thought I'd check in with you, just let you know how everything was going. And about the upcoming projects with the cliffhanger. If I can get to the store and get some sheet good, what I'm planning on doing is making a miter sled and show you how I do that. That's one thing I'm planning on doing, but I got to get to the store. Every time I get ready, like today, it's raining. They're calling for 90% chance of rain today. So that's going to wrap me up for this one. Y'all be safe, and I hope to catch you on the next one.